Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Just like Kairava Chandrika, just like the moon, on the first day it is just like a line, then gradually increases. The body and the moon sign increases. Therefore this comparison is given. The more you become Krishna conscious, the shining of your life increases. Saya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam. Then this life will be full of knowledge. Vidyavadhu Jivanam. Anandambadhi Vardhanam. And to increase the life of knowledge means Ananda. Ananda means pleasure. We want pleasure. So, you will get more and more pleasing life. Anandambadhi Vardhanam. And Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam. And every step of life, as we are in the material way of life, we are experiencing only unpleasant, difficulties. The just opposite. Anandambudhi, Ambudhi means the ocean. So this ocean does not increase. But when you come to the spiritual ocean of Ananda, blissfulness, it will increase daily. Just like these boys, they are coming from Europe, America, they are not Indians, but why they are sticking to these Krishna consciousness movement? Unless they are increasing their transcendental pleasure. They are not fools and rascals, they are educated. Why they have taken to this Anandambudhi Vardhanam? It is increasing their transcendental place. So anyone who takes to this process, he will increase his Anandambudhi Vardhanam. Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam, and he will be able to test what is the meaning of life, what is the meaning of pleasure. Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. All glories to the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra. So this is the process. Our Krishna consciousness movement is spreading this knowledge as far as possible, and by Krishna's grace we have got this temple in Melbourne, and it is all very creditful to our disciple, Srimad Madhudvishwa Swami, and you take advantage of it. That is my only request. If you do not do anything, simply come and join chanting, you will gradually know, very soon. Atasya Krishna namadi na bhavet grayam indriyai. The Krishna, his name, his form, his activities, his qualities, we cannot understand with these blunt material senses. It is not possible. Atasya Krishna namadi na bhavet grayam indriyai. Then we have got this only possession, indriyas, how we shall understand? Sevanmukhi jivhadu. If you engage your senses in the service of the Lord, sameva spuratada, then Krishna will reveal to you the hereafter. This is the process. Now, this word is very significant. Sevanmukhi jivhadu. Jivha means tongue. If you simply engage your tongue in the service of the Lord, you will gradually do it. How to engage the tongue? It is not said that if you see or if you touch, if you smell, no. If you taste, So what is the business of the tongue? The business of the tongue, that we can taste nice food stuff and we can vibrate. Do these two jobs. Vibrate with your tongue, Hare Krishna, and take as much as possible prasad. And you become a devotee. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,